I always knew that I would look back on my years in Luna. But I would never expect I would look back at our laughter and cry. That exact moment when they told me that you were already gone, time stopped for me. I could never rationalize or believe a word without you in there. And until now, that is what I still feel. I would always remember the laughter and tears we shared, Papa. Our conversation and even our petty fights. Those moments that I'm happy with you just being there. This final farewell seems to be forever permanent. But I know that you'll remain in my heart no matter what happens. Those memories we shared will always be present. And with those, I know that you are still living. I thank you for living your life with us, your family and friends. You shared enough already, and now it is time that we share your memory, your legacy to everyone. You are a great person, a person like no other. I don't want to say goodbye. I love you. First of all, I want to thank the Lord for giving us the strength and understanding to stand here in front of you. Pa, hindi ko in-expect na I will prepare such speech for you at the age of 22. 22 years with Papa might seem long, but it's just not enough. Much more for our bunso. 9 years. Kulang na kulang. I feel like we didn't do things enough. Didn't get to say I love you as many times as I could. Didn't hug you as tight as I can. Didn't get to hold you as many times. But his plans are not our own. Papa, I'm not gonna lie. That ride was the hardest ride to take. Knowing that it's one where we lay you to your final resting place. It hurts na nakita mo yung first breath namin, but we saw you took your last, not even knowing that that was it. Today, as we gather with hearts full of sadness, but hearts also full of gratitude for the life of a man who was not only our father, also our protector, provider, comfort, and one of the greatest loves of our life. My Papa was not just a Papa. He was also a husband to Mama. He was also a son to Mama La and Daddy Lu. He was also a brother to Tita Nel, Tita Nina, and Tita Vicky. He also served as second father to our cousins, Kuya Dilon, Kuya Daniel, Kuya Asan, Ate Chia, Ate Kakay, and to our cousins na sila Rian, sila Lawrence. For many years, Papa was not only a loving father. As stated by our loving preachers, he was also a dedicated Christian, a faithful servant of God, and a man who used the gifts of God to serve others. Papa was one of the oldest and pioneering dedicated guitarists in our church. His guitar is not just simply an instrument. It was one of the ways he worshipped God. Most of you might think that Papa's greatest hope for us is to finish school. Well, that might be partly true, but Papa always said na kahit mawala na ang lahat, huwag na kami mawala sa paglilingkod. Kundi nakahanga-hanga po ang habag ni Papa Jesus sa aming buhay. I remember when Mama and Papa gifted me a piano just for pastime lang, I guess, but he eventually committed to teaching me and how to use this talent, not simply for myself. And what makes this gift even more special is that I eventually use this to serve God with Papa together. And whenever I pick up an instrument, Whenever I hear a worship song, and whenever I serve the Lord through music, a part of Papa will always be there. I will remember His hands that taught me, provided for us, sacrificed, and gave His all. Hearing stories about Papa gives me a mixed feeling. It somehow made me happy because I can still feel that He is living in that moment. But at the same time, sad because I know that we will not be able to relive that memory. Because Papa had a habit of keeping his struggles to himself. Marami palang sakit po na itinago ang Papa. So much pain that he had because he did not want us to worry. In his final moments, I still wonder, mas takot pa siya na mawala siya o mas takot siya sa amin na mga maiiwan niya. I know that that is how Papa loves. Even when his own body is failing him, he continued to think about his own family. He carried his pain quietly because he wanted to protect us. Looking back now, it hurts to know that he was fighting battles we didn't know he was fighting. But she told us, sana nagsabi si Papa, sana nandun kami para sabihin na, Pa, you will be okay. Sana the love that made you keep going despite the... Papa, I know you can't hear me right now. But you gave us so much. You gave us your time, your strength, your love, but most of all, your faith. And to me, you give me music. Not literally, but music to my life. Papa, I will miss playing alongside you. Last Sunday, last na tugtog na pala namin yun ni Papa. If I knew na yun na yung huli, I would have played a song that would never end because I wanted to keep playing with Papa. There will be moments in church when I will look toward where you used to be and feel the emptiness of your absence. There will be songs that will bring tears to my eyes because I will remember the sound of your guitar. But Papa, as I promised, I will keep playing, I will keep serving, and I will keep worshiping because that is what you taught me to do. Papa, you may no longer be here beside us, but the music you gave to our lives will continue. We don't know why God chose to call you at home at only 47. We may never fully understand it. But as Christians, we hold on to the promise that death is not the end. There is comfort in knowing that for me to live is Christ and to die is gain. We believe that you are now with the Lord, Papa. Andiyan ka na, inaaliw ng malang Panginoon. Diyan ka na tumutugtog ng gitara, nagpupuri, and maybe nagpapaawit pa paminsan-pinsan. Your life was too short for us, but your impact will last a lifetime. We will surely miss your voice, yung tawa mo, yung presence mo, na nandun ka lang sa bahay, nakaupo, kumakain kasama si Papa. But most of all, we will miss you simply being there, Papa. Just existing. Papa, I would give everything, Papa, to hold you once more. Tell you I love you. Hug you tight. I'm sorry, Papa, for being late. Only being with you for 2 hours. Until we meet again, Papa. Rest peacefully in the presence of the Lord. Your song here on earth may have ended, but your worship continues in heaven. Thank you for everything, Papa. Thank you na kahit na pagod ka na, sinusunod kay Papa na magpalit siya ng damit niya. Kasi pupunta siya sa school, susunduin niya ako. May grasa yung kamay niya. Butas-butas yung mga suot niya kasi nagre-repair siya. Tapos sasabihin niya, anak, pasensya ka na kasi galing nagtatrabaho si Papa. Papa, I'm sorry. Papa, thank you for providing for us. Thank you na kahit puyat ka na pinagsusunod-sunod mo pa rin yung biyahe mo. Napipilitin mo pa rin tumayo, babangon ka, madaling araw. Nandiyan na, magbabiyahe ka na kaagad, nag-i-empake, hindi mo na kami nitisingin. Magkikiss ka na lang kay Mama ng goodbye. And then lalabas ka na ng pinto. Thank you, Papa. I really have no words. Hindi enough yung words to express the extreme sadness and pain I have in my life. But I know that Papa's resting right now. We will carry your song, your faith, and we will love with us for the rest of our lives. Till the sweet by and by, Papa.
Maraming salamat, Marian Galvez, sa inyong taus-pusong mensahe and heart of message. And now to give us the message